Alright, so I've been asked as part of the test preview for Unit 2 to do the electron let's see, what is it called? Shorthand version of electron configurations is what I was trying to think of. For some reason it wasn't coming to my mind. So vanadium is in the fourth row of the periodic table. It's right here. And so we put 2 electrons in 4s right here. And then when we get into this section here, this whole transition element section, we're dropping back 1 primary level. And so if you're using this chart to figure that out, we went from 4s here to 3d here. And so we're putting 1, 2, 3 electrons in 3d. 1, 2, 3 electrons in 3d. Okay? So this is orbital notation. That's what we're going to use first to figure out how to get to electron configuration. So we'll first do the full electron configuration. And so we're going to put vanadium here, and we're going to say 1s, and simply count the electrons in that s sublevel. 1s2, then 2s, 2, 2p, 2, 4, 6, 6, 3s, 2, 3p, 6, 4s, 2, and 3d, 3. Okay, because there's 3 electrons in 3d. The shorthand version simply takes out the next lowest noble gas from this configuration and replaces it with the symbol for that noble gas. So I'm going to go to vanadium here. That's number 23, and count backwards by atomic number: 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. Well, that's a noble gas. That's the next lowest noble gas. And you don't have to do this, but I'm going to show you the noble gas electron configuration for argon, just to help us figure this out. It's 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. That's the orbital notation of the electron configuration for argon. And if you'll notice, the 2 electron configurations are the same up to that point. Okay, so this is the complete electron configuration for vanadium. The shorthand version, or the noble gas electron configuration for vanadium, is going to take out all of this. All we need is this part. But when we take all this out, we have to show that we're going to take out the part that represents argon. So we put argon here in brackets to show that all this is being replaced with that. Okay? All of this right here is being replaced with just this symbol. We'll write 4s2 and 3d3. And so that's the noble gas electron configuration. Or sometimes call it simply the shorthand electron configuration for vanadium. Okay? So, test preview. Unit 2, 2013-09-30. Okay?